be, wherever you may be. We are the famous CFC, and we don't give a beep, whoever you may be, cause we are the famous CFC.
जी हाँ, नया केयर फ्री 5 गुना ज्यादा सूखे. वेलकम टू स्पोर्ट्स हफ्ता. So yes guys, as promised, we have the biggest football fans in here in our studio. Us. Us, yes. Don't have us, because we have Jay Thakkar in the house, who is actually one of the biggest fans in India, I suppose. So Jay, why don't you tell us something about yourself? Yeah, something about yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Jay, 24. I've been supporting Chelsea since over 5 years now. And for a living, I work as an exchange admin.
Exchange what?
Exchange admin, it's an IT thing, you won't understand it.
You exchange men as... Oh, sorry, just continue.
Whatever. So, and yeah, I'm straight.
ये बोलना जरूरी है.
Obviously.
So we'll obviously have a chat with Jay Thakkar in the meantime in between the show. But before that, JT, share your scream moment with us.
My scream moment, obviously, Chelsea beating Manchester United in the Capital One Cup.
आइला, New Delhi में भी capital क्या cup क्या?
I will cry, Manas. Stop those silly jokes.
Jay, you please go ahead.
So yeah, Manchester United meeting Chelsea for the second time at Stamford Bridge in 3 days. After the controversial defeat last weekend in the Premier League, Chelsea finally got their sweet revenge, beating Manchester United 5-4. We won, baby.
Oh, you mean baby? You mean John Terry's baby?
I will seriously cry.
अच्छा तू बोल ना baby, तू बोल ना baby, तू क्यों है?
So yes, Chelsea had to come back from behind thrice.
Come back from behind. Okay, sorry.
And eventually, fair play, the better team won.
Okay. Just let me tell you this, okay? Okay, just oh yeah, sorry. Just let me tell you, Manchester United played the second best team, okay? Second best team.
Obviously, without Clattenburg and Howard Webb, it has to be a second best team.
So Jay, that was a well-deserved scream moment.
Thank you.
So now please be loud and tell us your WTF moment.
The WTF moment, obviously, it again comes from the Capital One Cup. Reading versus Arsenal at the Majesty Stadium.
Majesty Stadium. You mean Majeski Stadium, right?
Yeah.
In Reading. Yeah, sure. Go
Reading, yeah. So Arsenal again had to come back from behind.
Ooh, okay.
What's with coming back from behind with you guys? Alright, so Arsenal came back from behind, 4 goals down, and the score after extra time 7-5.
Ooh. Well, Theo was on the score sheet. He scored 2 goals and I don't know how many assists. And even our very own Marouane Chamakh scored 2 goals.
Yeah,
Marouane Chamakh.
You mean Shamak Dawar?
Chak doom doom, chak doom doom, chak doom doom. So guys, now it's time to reveal. No. Guys, it's time to reveal the winner of the Coke goodie bag. So Jay, why don't you do the honors? Honors.
Thank you, and the winner is...
Deepak Agarwal. Congrats Deepak, you have won yourself a Coke goodie bag which looks something like this. Yeah, Jay, would you just like to show Deepak what does it look like?
Ooh, wow.
See, something like this. Oh my God, there's a lot of things in this. So Jay, this is Deepak. This is yours. Sorry, not Jay. All right, and yes, one more thing, Deepak, a one in a lifetime opportunity, or maybe not. Your wife or your girlfriend to sleep with JT.
Unless she doesn't tell you.
Oh, guys, we're just kidding. I'm so sorry. Or are we? So JT, tell us something about Chelsea Mumbai.
Well, Chelsea Mumbai, it's by itself, it's Chelsea India Supporters Club is how we are known as. One of the clubs, the first clubs to actually get a direct affiliation with Chelsea Football Club.
Wow, that's brilliant. That's really awesome. Yeah?
And it all started in around 2006, where a few guys got together through awkward communities. We started arranging screenings for matches. We meet at pubs and watch the match together. And Yeah, obviously.
But what do you mean if you guys got together? But anyway, tell me one thing that how did you start supporting Chelsea?
Well, it's a funny story to be honest. I was at a friend's place. I'm a Gujarati, as you guys know, and he asked me that, "Do you want to watch a football match?" And I was like, "Chelsea." I've been associated with Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Wow, that's brilliant. JT, one dream that you would like to have.
Well, my dream is to be at Stamford Bridge and witness Chelsea kick the ass of Manchester United, my friend.
Actually, Stamford Bridge is just 5 minutes away from the station of Malad East.
I thought Santa Cruz. Yes.
It's Malad East actually.
Sorry.
I saw on Google Maps.
Google Maps.
And Old Trafford is near Dharamvi.
So guys, before we wrap up, we got certain news for you. Roger Federer has lost against Del Potro in 3 sets.
Kiska potra?
Dell computer ka potro.
Oh.
But anyway, isn't Roger Federer number 1?
Yeah, he's actually number 1. And you know, Jay and Manas, actually, FedEx's favorite drink. Can anyone guess what is FedEx's favorite drink?
No.
It's McDowell's number 1. Mera number 1. क्या हुआ? अबे हो गया? Sorted? ठीक है. Anyways, moving on, England, we're moving on to cricket actually, let me tell you that first. So, England is playing India A in a 3-day warm-up match.
Yes. Manoj Tiwari scored a 93 with Yuvraj and Mukund both getting half centuries, and Yuvraj even got a 5-wicket haul.
तुझे cricket भी आता है?
देख लेता हूँ कभी-कभी.
Well, anyways, even Alistair Cook was on the score sheet.
Score sheet?
Football on my mind. So yes, Alistair Cook scored a very slow and a steady 100 with even Samit Patel scoring a ton.
These Gucci's, I tell you, man. But anyway, do you know what England will be singing for India A?
No, I don't know. What?
AG OG लो जी सुनो जी मैं हूँ मनमोजी गुज्जू और सरदार को लेके हम खिले जी पैरसार समित पटेल
We are England, गोरों के गोरे, we are England. So that was a show, guys, and it was really nice talking to you, JT.
Yeah.
Wait, wasn't this publicized as will Fahad shake hands with JT or will JT shake hands with Fahad?
Anyway, JT, damn good to have you on the show.
Likewise.
Yeah, JT, nice to have you on the show.
Likewise.
Whatever, fake host.
Well, before these two idiots sign off, I just gotta tell you guys it was fun being here, and to all the viewers, all of them who are watching, please subscribe. As they all say, Masti cannot be missed.
Yeah, this was said by someone, right?
Arey, John Terry, you know na?
Masti. Well, anyways, JT, that you'd like to say something for Chelsea and their fans right now as we sign off?
Well, all I would say is keep supporting Chelsea the way you have been. Be patient, keep calm, and keep the blue flag flying high, and we're gonna win the Premier League, and who knows? Well, he laughs, it's okay. Tu to hasi mat.
Well, anyways, before
we sign off. किधर है? अरे हाँ, sorry, इधर.
Yes. So we have this black monkey as a gift. Like we give gifts to every fan who guests that comes.
And we thought it was appropriate we give a Chelsea fan a black
monkey. Yeah, here's a black monkey for you.
So Clattenburgish, dude. Hey monkey, hey black monkey. This is JT. Do you have a wife?